In this module, we're going to learn about the ways in which railway companies manage the capacity of their systems. The capacity of a line is given technically by Scott's formula, which we see here, which we'll spend a moment or two looking through. The capacity C is shown in the number of trains per day in one direction. And it's a function of 24, which is obviously the number of hours in a day, less an amount W. It's quite common for a railway to be temporarily closed during the small hours of the morning for maintenance. And this is called a white period, because if we look at the train graph, there'll be nothing in there. The graph will be blank. So having adjusted for that, then obviously we're going to multiply by 60 minutes an hour. And then we're going to divide by 2 items of T, a bit similar to the issue we had with train planning. Here, however, the big T is a similar measure of the time it takes the slowest train to traverse the critical section. That's a time in minutes. And the little t is the time it takes us to close the line, obtain line clear and start the next train. For example, the signals don't necessarily set to red immediately, and even if they do, we then need to give a small amount of time before we can authorise another train to use the same line.